When it comes to equipping your kitchen, choosing the best cookware set is paramount. A high-quality cookware set not only enhances your cooking experience but also ensures that your meals are prepared safely and efficiently. The best cookware sets are designed with durable materials such as non-stick coatings, ceramic, and granite, which provide even heat distribution and make cleaning a breeze. These sets typically include a variety of pots, pans, and cooking utensils, catering to all your culinary needs. From frying and sautéing to boiling and baking, having the right cookware can elevate your cooking skills and the overall quality of your dishes. Choosing the best cookware set for your kitchen can make a world of difference in your cooking experience. There are many products available to choose the best cookware set for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cookware set for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set 17-Piece Non-Stick Cooking Pan Set. The Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set is a comprehensive 17-piece collection that includes everything you need for your cooking endeavors. The set features non-stick cooking pans with a black granite coating, which not only ensures even heat distribution but also makes cleaning a breeze. This set is ideal for those who cook frequently and require a durable and versatile cookware set. Made from high-quality aluminum, the Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set is designed to be both lightweight and durable. The black granite coating provides a stylish look while ensuring that the cookware is scratch-resistant and easy to clean. The set includes a range of sizes, from small frying pans to large stockpots, allowing you to prepare meals of any size. Number 2. Pots and Pans Set Caannasweis Non-Stick Granite Stone Cookware Sets. The Caannasweis Non-Stick Granite Stone Cookware Set offers a stylish and functional solution for your kitchen. This set includes non-stick frying pans that are perfect for a variety of cooking tasks, from frying eggs to searing steaks. The granite stone coating ensures that food releases easily from the pan, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. The non-stick coating is PFAS and PFOA-free, providing a safe and healthy cooking surface. The Caannasweis cookware set is made from high-quality aluminum with a granite stone coating. This combination provides excellent heat distribution and durability. The set includes various sizes of frying pans and saucepans, allowing you to prepare a wide range of dishes with ease. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, making cooking a pleasant experience. Number 3. Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set's 12-Piece Green Cooking Pan Set. The Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set in green is a 12-piece collection that combines functionality with a vibrant aesthetic. The granite non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, making it a great choice for busy cooks. This set includes a variety of pots and pans, perfect for everyday cooking tasks. The non-stick surface is free from harmful chemicals such as PFOS and PFOA, ensuring that your meals are healthy and safe. Constructed from high-quality aluminum with a granite coating, the Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set is designed for durability and even heat distribution. The set includes a range of pots and pans in different sizes, allowing you to cook meals of any scale. The ergonomic handles are designed to stay cool, providing a safe and comfortable cooking experience. Number 4. New of Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. The new of Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set is a premium option for those seeking high-quality and durable cookware. This set features diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating, providing excellent scratch resistance and longevity. The cookware is PFAS-free, ensuring a healthy cooking environment. This set is dishwasher and oven safe, offering convenience and versatility in your kitchen. The new of Cookware set is made from high-quality aluminum with a diamond-infused ceramic coating. This combination ensures even heat distribution and durability. The set includes various sizes of pots and pans, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. The stylish blue color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Number 5. New of Lux 13-Piece Forged Lightweight Cookware Set PFAS-free. The new of Lux 13-Piece Forged Lightweight Cookware Set is designed for those who prioritize both performance and convenience. This set features a G10 Duralon ceramic coating, which is ultra non-stick and PFAS-free. The cookware is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to handle and long-lasting. The set is compatible with all cooktops, including induction, providing versatility in your kitchen. Made from forged aluminum with a G10 Duralon ceramic coating, The new Lux cookware set offers excellent heat distribution and durability. The set includes various sizes of pots and pans, allowing you to prepare a wide range of dishes. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.